Hi friends, my name is Rubiya Traf. Today we will continue our Python playlist. Our today's topic is Python variables. It is a simple topic. Yeah, let's start. First of all, we need to download Jupyter Notebook. That's why open a browser. Okay. Open a browser and type Jupyter jupyter.org. Then click install. Then copy this command and open a terminal and paste here. Then type enter. I already downloaded Jupyter, that's why I close it. Then if you want to run Jupyter, copy this, then paste in terminal and press enter. Okay, then your Jupyter will be started. Jupyter has two interfaces. One is this and one is this. Okay, two are same. Don't worry. Then first of all, a simple way is, if you are Ubuntu user, open software and search Jupyter and search Jupyter. Then download this. Okay, download this. First of all, we need to know what is Python variable. What is variable? Variable is a temporary storage space. Okay, variable is a temporary storage place. Think Bangladesh is a variable and Dhaka store in Bangladesh. Okay, click new and click Python 3. Click Python 3. Then click new and click Python. Okay, Python 3. Then type Bangladesh is a variable. Okay, take Bangladesh is a variable. Okay, and Dhaka store in Bangladesh. Okay, Dhaka store in Bangladesh. Okay, then we need to print Dhaka. That's why type Bangladesh. Okay, that's why type Bangladesh and run it. Okay, our output is Dhaka because our Dhaka or our value store in our variable store in variable Bangladesh. Okay, another example is, think a student, and you have a student. Okay, his name is his name is David. First, you want to print David. That's why first type student student equals to student is our variable. Okay, then our student's name is David. Our student's name is David. We want to print David. That's why type student. That's why type student and run it. Yeah, our student's name, our output is our student's name. Okay, David. Save, clear. Another example. Think England. England is a country. Okay, England is a country and England is our variable. England is a country and London is our variable. Okay, to print London is our value. To print value, we need to type variable. That's why type England, England. Okay, then run it. Okay, our value London is print here. Okay, another example is think today is your birthday. Okay, everyone say that's what everyone says. That's why type A is EVERY. Everyone SAYS. Everyone says equals to happy birthday to you. Okay, 1 minute. Happy birthday to you. We want to print this, not this. That's why type to print this, we need to type this, no this. Okay, EV is EVERY. Every one SAY. Sorry, no space. Everyone says. Okay, then place it. Happy birthday to you, our output. Okay, our another and last example is another and last example is think your friend's name is James. Okay, friend's name is James or John. Your friend's name is John. Then you want to print your friend's name. That's why type friends is our variable, friends. Friends is our variable, and in variable we want to store our friend's name. Our friend's name is John. John is our value. Okay, then we want to print John, that's why type friends. Okay, then yeah, our output is John, your friend's name. Okay. Oh, another thing, I told you variable is a temporary space, not a permanent space. The thing, copy this, copy cell, then paste cell below. Okay, 1 minute, no, cut it, type it, type student, our student's name is David. Okay, then type students, sorry, student equals to our new student is Johnny, Jonny. Okay, then if I write student, what value will be print, David or Johnny? Okay, David or Johnny? The answer is 1 minute, student, student, then run it. Our answer is Johnny, because variable is not a permanent space. We change the variable's value anytime. First time we write this, then we change the student, then type this. Okay, we change it. Okay, that's all. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thanks. That's all. Bye bye.